Welcome back to part 3 of our document accessibility deep dive. Today we are tackling color contrast issues, specifically how text stands out from its background. The issue is caused by low brightness, a color difference between the text foreground and its background. High contrast is essential for users with color blindness or low vision. Without it, text washes out and becomes invisible to many readers. Let's look at how to fix this in seconds using YuJa Panorama. Panorama will highlight a specific text failing the WCAG 2.1 Level AA standards. In the Accessibility Report panel, use the color picker to select a darker or higher contrast color. Panorama often provides a suggested color that meets the required 4.5:1 ratio. Simply click to apply it. That's all it takes! YuJa Panorama removes the guesswork by calculating color contrast ratio and offering an instant fix. Thank you for watching and see you in the next part of our series. Bye bye!